First Five of San Luis Obispo County is delighted to announce this month's hands-on hero, Margaret Kinzinger-Klopfer. Margaret's hands-on approach and interaction with children inspires imagination and creativity.
She's awesome that she loves books because she's at a library.
Thank you to First Five for making me the hands-on hero. I am just truly honored to have this recognition of libraries and our impact on families and communities.
Margaret is the kind of person that the moment she walks into the room, she kind of brightens the whole room.
Going to the library helps you read and find books and helps you learn better to read.
And she loves librarian Margaret, who's just great. I think we came here one time before she knew our names, which was really, really impressive to me.
She's just got this very dynamic personality that really encourages children to learn and to find new resources so they can continue growing as individuals.
Miss Margaret is awesome. She helps me find books with me.
So she learned a song here that she picked up and then brought home and sang at home with her. So we just really like coming and having fun here and doing stories and singing.
We care so much about a lot of the things that First Five cares about: early literacy, children's health, and strong families in the county of San Luis Obispo. So thank you for this recognition of how the library contributes to that.
Congratulations!
You can learn more about our hands-on heroes in the SLO Journal Plus and at first5slo.org.